Hey everyone, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be talking about how to make a drag and drop matching pictures to words slide for simple reading. So the first thing you're going to do is make your background up. So we go into view, we're going to go into the theme builder, and I'm going to make it a color. So we're going to take the background and we'll say a nice light blue. All right, and now we're going to go and get an image of a whiteboard. So search the web, whiteboard transparent. And then you put a few choices. Let's do this nice wooden one here. Oh no, that one's not good. It's got under furniture. So we don't want that one. Let's go with this one. Okay, so now we have a little whiteboard and we're going to kind of set that in there. I'm going to make it small enough to fit the words, the letters on the other side. Okay, so now what we're going to do is go back out of here. And we've got our slides now. So we're going to add a text box. Actually, let's do a shape. Okay, and we're going to put that on here for us to type in the word that we're going for. We're going to take another one, put that on as well, line them up nicely. And there we've got our place where we're going to put our picture. So the next thing you're going to have to do is type in a title. So let's go up to the top here, insert that, and we're going to make that central or centered. And we're going to say drag and drop the correct image to match the word. That's up there now. And we might want to make it a little bit bigger. There we go. So now we've got our title. We've got our box here. We're going to make this one nice and centered as well. And we're going to say cat. Make it much bigger. So let's say 50, even 75. And there we go. And now we're going to have a selection of pictures on this side. So you would do the same thing as you would do to get any image in. So you say cat. And we're going to pull this guy in. Now you've got a nice image of a cat. Make it smaller so it's big enough to fit in the box only. And then add it over here. You would keep doing that for other things now. Now I've already done this because it would take too long to do so many. So you would just, I'm going to just copy a bunch of them. And paste them in. And then we're going to make them move around a bit so they all fit nicely. Now the students will be able to use this to choose the right word once they go into their slide. So again, it's super simple. You type in the word and the kids can move in the picture. Now you want to make a bunch of copies of it. So you're just going to go highlight it, command copy, and paste. And then you just change the word on the next one. So this one might be run. And so now they're going to select that word, and so on and so on. All right, thank you so much. Remember, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe and share my channel with others. Take care.